Hi, my name is Michelle Moore, and these are my answers to the questions from Case Study Assignment 2, 4.1 Vegan Diet During Pregnancy. According to Ms. Lederman's 3-day food journal, she is consuming 71 grams of protein, which is consistent with the needs for a pregnant woman. A non-pregnant woman only needs about 46 grams, but the extra protein intake is needed for fetal development. Although she is vegan, she is still consuming complete proteins by combining legumes and grains in her diet, which is great. It seems that Ms. Lederman is low on alpha-linolenic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. For alpha-linolenic acid, she is only consuming 0.54 grams when she should be consuming closer to 1.4 grams per day. Vitamin B12 is a common vitamin to be low on for vegans, so it's not a surprise she is low here. She is consuming 2.1 micrograms when she should be consuming 2.6 micrograms per day. Lastly, vitamin D is a vitamin that Ms. Lederman can get through food or exposure to the sun, but since she is putting on sunscreen, she is not making vitamin D in her skin. Therefore, she needs to make sure she is consuming enough in her diet, which she is not. She consumes 3 micrograms when she should be consuming 15 micrograms per day during pregnancy. In order for Ms. Lederman to get the nutrients she needs in her diet for alpha-linolenic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin D, I suggest that she consumes the following. Foods high in alpha-linolenic acid are found in high amounts in the vegan diet in many vegetables, so I suggest that she consumes things like spinach, broccoli, and yams. Since vitamin B12 and vitamin D are found in higher amounts in mostly animal products, it will be necessary for Ms. Lederman to consume fortified foods, such as a fortified breakfast cereal or juices like orange juice.